everyone and welcome back to today's video. From the title itself you know that today I'm going to review one Jovees hair oil. I know what you're thinking, You're thinking that this girl is in love with the brand Jovees, and yes, you are right. I am in love with the brand Jovees, but if you have noticed, I always mention the pros and the cons of the hair oil, right? Means of Jovees hair oil. When I review any product, I always mention the pros and the cons if there is any. And in this case also there is something that you must know. So just stay tuned and keep watching. I was talking about this hair oil, guys, and I know that this is really in a very bad condition because I keep on using this hair oil. So this is the hair oil. As you can see, this is Jovees Hair Solution Bio Advanced Hair Oil with Bhringraj and olive. Have a closer look. The quantity you will be getting is 100 ml and the price that you have to pay, that is rupees 185. Now quickly I am just reading the ingredients. It is having arachis oil, caprylic, triglycerides, sunflower oil, coconut oil, Bhringraj oil, flaxseed oil, wheat germ oil, olive oil and licorice oil extract. Okay, so these are the ingredients of this oil, and the method of use is very simple, that you have to use your fingertips and you have to rub the oil on your scalp till 2 or 3 minutes. Now this oil is for all hair types. It is written over here that this hair oil deeply penetrates to help repair, seal and smooth even the most damaged hair. So if you are having damaged dry hair, you can just use this oil. It is not that it's written over here, so I am saying because my hair is very dry and damaged, so I am telling you this oil really works. But there is a problem with this oil. I am just talking about it a little bit later. I'm just reading it. Using the power of pure plant oils along with other precious herbal extracts that help to restore volume, health, silkiness and shine, it shall help to reactivate dead follicles by stimulating the generation of natural protein and help in controlling hair fall and premature graying. Guys, as you have noticed that this oil has enormous benefits. It also prevents the graying of hair, which is really very important, and it imparts shine to our hair, and it is very good for our hair. It gives volume to our hair, silkiness, everything that we need to have a good quality hair. Now the thing is that I have noticed that many of you have a problem with this oil. You always say that this oil doesn't come out from your hair. No matter what shampoo you use, that this oil doesn't want to come out from your hair. Now there is a very quick fix to your problem. You must be having some shampoo in your house that dries your hair, right? And you just do not use that shampoo. I also have some shampoos that do not work for my hair and my hair becomes dry. So in this case you need that type of shampoo, so that shampoo will take away those excess oil that is bothering you, and after that you will be getting that silky shiny hair. Trust me, this is going to work. What I use, if you ask me, I use khadi shampoo because that really dries out my hair. I have a separate video on this khadi shampoo. I will just put the link up there. If you wish, you can have a look. I hope that this video is going to help you to understand that how you are going to fix this problem. Now coming back to this oil, I'm not showing the application, guys, because it is not needed, but definitely you need to see the texture of this oil. It is really thick, it is very thick, I can tell you that. And the smell is to die for. The smell is really very good. So guys, this was all about this Jovees Bio Advanced Hair Oil with Bhringraj and olive. So if you have my hand is feeling so sticky, so if you have liked this video, don't forget to leave a like. Do subscribe to my channel with the bell icon. Don't forget to hit that bell, otherwise you're going to miss all my notifications whenever I upload my videos. And until my next video comes, stay happy, stay blessed, God bless. Ta-ta. Oh.